Welcome to the
HomeROY
Shopping Network.
In the fourth dimension. Now understand, this earth is limited, the matter realm is limited to 3 dimensions. You were created out of the 4th dimension. So you were created on a higher dimension than the spiritual world. That's what they said about Jesus over in Matthew chapter 13, I think it is, or 15. They said, whence has this man this wisdom and these mighty works? See? And inside of you is God. Do you know that? He's in you right now. I said he's in you right now. He said, lo, I'm with you, and I'll never leave you. Keep going, or will I forsake you? Now, what does he do with you? He designs you to be planted in a hostile environment. The Word of God is designed for hostility. That's why God could look at the earth. I'm trying to beat that clock. I'm trying to finish that. Now, okay, so he said that the faith that we're going to have is the faith of Abraham. Say the faith of Abraham. All right, what is the faith of Abraham? If you're going to walk with God, let's go to somewhere. Turn to 1 Corinthians chapter 3, please. 1 Corinthians chapter 3. I'm going to show you why the world is waiting on the church. See, the world is getting into a level of problems that the natural mind cannot solve. That's what they're getting. And the frustrations are there, and the blaming is there, and so forth and so on. Well, they're all... Look at verse 8. Now he that planteth and he that watereth are one, and every man shall receive his own reward according to his own labor. For we are what? Laborers together with who? With God. All right? You're God's husband. You're God's garden. You're husband. Now look what it says. Hear what I'm telling you. If you would walk with God, you have to do as he does. And God calls things. The tendency is the people of God are trying to walk with God and not do it God's way. But you can't do that.